Hi, guys. This is another session in the series of Stay at Home, Be a Hero. We will try to help you go through this coronavirus lockdown so that you can break the chain and make sure that we all come out safe during this period of time. If you like this video, please do share it with your friends who are preparing for CAT and other MBA entrance examinations. Please do subscribe to this channel. You can leave your comments, feedback regarding this video and any other video on our channel, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. If you would like, please do subscribe to our courses as well. The link is available in the description. Let's get on with it. Hi, this is a set which is a combination of games and tournaments and quant-based reasoning. I would suggest if you have not tried this set on your own, pause this video, look at the PDF. The link will be available in the description of this video. Once you have tried the set on your own, proceed with the rest of this session. A large number of singers participated in the Saregama Pa singing competition. After 5 hard-fought rounds, Miss Rashmi from Dadar East was declared the champion. Okay. At the end of each round, a certain number of singers were eliminated and the remaining singers progressed to the next round. The following is further known about the competition. The number of singers eliminated in each round from round 2 to round 5 was different. The number of singers in round 3 is double the number of singers in round 4. At least one singer was eliminated in each round and no singer was eliminated who was eliminated entered the competition again. Okay, so there is nothing like a wild card re-entry which happens in all these competitions. Okay, 12 singers progress to round 2. Number of singers eliminated in the final round is 3 times the number of participants eliminated in the penultimate round. Okay, and the questions are how many singers were eliminated, which are the following rounds with the maximum number of singers eliminated, how many singers progressed to the 5th round, what is the difference between the number of singers eliminated in round 2 and the number of singers eliminated in round 4. Fine. Okay, this is not a knockout sort of a tournament, right? So there are certain number of singers, right? There are some who are eliminated and the rest progress to the next round. From here, somebody else is eliminated, the rest progress to the next round. These go to the next one, some are eliminated, some progress to the next round. In the next round, again, some people are eliminated over here. And in 5 rounds, the champion is decided, which is Miss Rashmi. Okay, so if I were to draw a simple table out of this, right, this is what we have. So there are certain participants eliminated, progressing. These progressing guys will go to become the participants in the next round. Some of them will be eliminated. The rest will be progressing. Those guys will be the participants in the next round and so on. Now, we know at the very end, there is only one person, which is Miss Rashmi, who was the champion. So she is the one who is the champion. So there'll be only one person progressing. Right? So whoever is progressing here, only one is left, rest all are eliminated. Okay. Is there a starting point to work this out? Okay, if you read the 4th statement, 12 singers progress to the 12th round, second round. So in the second round, there are 12 participants, which means 12 people progressed here. We'll have to figure out how many people were eliminated over here. Okay. Now, from the first statement, it is known that the number of singers eliminated in each round from round 2 to round 5 was different. So the number of people eliminated was a different number. We also know out of these 12 people, 11 will be eliminated because there is only one champion. So 11 people will be eliminated, right? So total eliminated here from round 2 to round 5 will be 11. Now all of them have to be distinct numbers, right? So let's try to fit this out. If I have 2, 1, 2, 3, that's 6, will be 5. If I start with 2, 2, 3, 4, that's 9, that will be 2, but 2 and 2 are identical. So this scenario is out. Can I play with this? 1, 3, 4, that's 8. 8 plus 3 is 11, that is also out. So, and 1, 2, 4, 4 is also 11, but 2 4s are not possible. So these are the number of people who are eliminated in rounds 2 to 5. 1, 2, 3, and 5. So in one of the rounds, one person will be eliminated. In one of the rounds, two people will be eliminated. In one of the rounds, three people will be eliminated. One of the rounds, five people will be eliminated. We don't know as of now which round is which. Okay, the second statement says the number of singers in round 3 is double the number of singers in round 4. Okay, so if this number is x, this number will be 2x. Okay, that's what it says. There was at least one person eliminated and no person eliminated entered the competition, or this we have taken care of. Okay, the last statement says the number of singers eliminated in the final round is 3 times the number of participants eliminated in the penultimate round. Okay, so if there are n people eliminated here, there'll be 3 times n people eliminated over here. Okay, and what are n and 3n? It has to be one of these numbers. Now the only multiple of 3 available is 3 itself, right? So if I put 1, the other number will be 3. If I put 2, the other number will be 6, but there is no 6 available. So n has to be equal to 1 and 3n will be equal to 3. So this is a nice breakthrough because I now know how many people are there in this round. There are some people out of which 3 get eliminated, 1 is left, which means at the beginning it will be 1 plus 3, 4 people. Now these 4 people end up in the previous round. They were progressing after the previous round. Again, by repeating the same part, you'll have 1 plus 4, 5. So x will be 5, which means 2x will be equal to 10. Right? 2x will be equal to 10. Now I should be able to fill up the rest pretty easily. Now out of 12, 10 people come up in the next round. So number of people progressing will be 10, which means 2 people will be eliminated. You have 1, 2, so 3. So this should be 5. And you can verify 10 minus 5 will be equal to 5. So I've fitted every single part of the one except for the information over here. I don't know how many people were in the first round and how many people got eliminated over here, but I know there are 12 people who progressed to the, next round, right? So I don't know these 2 parts, right? I've used up all the information, nothing much I can do. Let's go to the individual questions and complete it. All right, let's go to the questions. Question number 1 says, how many singers were eliminated in round 1? Now, I cannot answer this question because I don't know how many people participated. Now, even though it's a TETA question, there is an option which says enter 0 if the answer cannot be uniquely determined. So answer will be 0 for this. Question number 2, in which of the following rounds are the maximum number of singers eliminated? Okay, I don't know 1, but 1 is not available in the options. So I can use the options here. Round 5 is 3 people. Maximum is in round 3, option B. Right. Question number 3, how many singers progress to the 5th round? There are 4 people who progress to the 5th round. Right. And the last one, what is the difference between the number of singers eliminated in round 2, which is 2, and the number of singers eliminated in round 4, 1. Difference between 2 and 1 equals 1. That will be our correct choice. It's a moderate level difficulty question. In fact, even it's an easy to moderate level difficulty question. Should not be put off by the fact that it looks like a game and tournament question, but it's more like a quant based reasoning. You can also progress it like a pass fail sort of a question if we have seen those type of questions earlier as well. So about 8-minute max in an exam sort of a situation. Key point was figuring out the grid to be filled and the fact that you have distinct numbers adding up to 11, right? 12 people participated, 11 people got eliminated. That's why you had just one champion. That completes this particular session on Break the Chain. If you liked it, please do share it with your friends who are preparing for CAT and other MBA entrance examinations. Please do subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment on how you felt this video was. If you want, and if you have any suggestions on any other videos which we need to do during this period, please do let us know. If you would like to, do look at our courses. The link is available in the description. Till we meet again the next time, goodbye and stay safe.